Hello there, gardening friends. Today is February 24th, and I am just walking around my garden. Everything is coming up for spring. Like these daffodils here. Here's some tulips. Everything is just coming up everywhere. More daffodils, I think. I got them all over the place over here. And I cut down this honeysuckle bush that I was talking about for so long, cutting it down. And we'll put moonflowers on it. Just have them growing up there. Maybe even have the bench right here. We can sit on it and smell the moonflowers in the evening. There should be wildflowers. Here's some coming up right in here. I planted some all along in here. And here's an iris I put over here. Let's just start putting more stuff over here. I think those are daffodils. Oh yeah, there's lots of them over here. It looks like snow in the mountain that grows in here. There's more. These daffodils getting ready to bloom. Look at the crocuses there. Here is some Sweet William that's just getting started. It's got real pretty red flowers in summer when it blooms. And these are poppies I transplanted over here a while back. Here's iris. I moved them over here. I'm trying to get more different flowers in here instead of just a ground cover, a bunch of ground covers. Here's some of those crocuses I planted over here last fall. This Lenten rose is getting ready to bloom. It's been blooming down here. Hey, look how it's filling up this area. It was just a little teeny thing when I planted it. It's going all out. Here's some crocuses blooming here. Oh, there's more over here. Here's some lupine that's been growing here for a few years, just getting started. And this is columbine that's just getting started. These are hollyhocks I transplanted here last year from out front. I originally started them from seed. And here's these new leaves. Here's the hibiscus that is so big. It's grown way out to here, over here. I usually cut it down because where it's grown, it won't regrow back. It just grows completely up from the ground. with new stalks. So whatever hard wood is here, you might as well cut it to the ground because they won't grow back. They send up new stalks. I'm not sure. I think this is coral bells. Tulips and some irises. Grass. Here's some tulips. I did have the flower bed clear out to here, and I thought I dug up everything, but there's a hardy lily, Oriental hybrid lily or something. There's more. See, I thought I dug all this stuff up. Evidently, I either missed it or it's coming back anyway from little pieces. It looks like a strawberry, a wild strawberry. These are irises. These are tulips. Bath here. Crocuses are all closed up. These were open and they've closed up. I think it's probably because it's so cold. It is kind of chilly out here. We've had a few warm days though. These are crocuses right there. Tulips. Lots of tulips in through here. We went to Gulf Shores, Alabama a little bit in January, and we were walking along the seashore picking up shells. So I spread them out in here. These are poppies, daffodils, sedum that's wintered over now for a couple of years. Look at all the poppies we're going to have. Yeah, look at all the poppies we're going to have. Here's a rose I planted here. Let's hope it's going to be okay. Hope it wintered through okay. Lots of tulips coming up and hardy lilies, oriental hybrid lilies. This is yarrow right here. Over here. These irises seem like they wintered okay. Got the grass. And I put these concrete blocks here, and I'm going to put potting soil inside of them. And I've got some vines I'll plant in each. One over there too. Oh, here's a yellow crocus. Well, that's a little sneak peek of what's coming up here in Zone 5 on February 24th.